You're watching the AI Report. Interestingly, we have mostly OpenAI and ChatGPT related news today. Let's get into it. ChatGPT gets a Canva plugin. Image generation in ChatGPT just became a thing right at this very moment. I will try and do a complete guide on this plugin very soon. Speaking of ChatGPT, some of you may have noticed that the icon of ChatGPT has an orange background at times. Turns out it's not just ChatGPT trying out its autumn outfit. It's an indicator that either there's some update going on or more seriously some issue or problem, and you may have a less than stellar user experience. So simply put, if your ChatGPT has an orange icon, be a bit more patient with it, it's having a rough time currently. And possibly related to this, there's currently a mini revolt / conspiracy theory about ChatGPT's perceived drop in performance in recent months. Many users on various platforms complain about this. Their complaints usually get a lot of upvotes and feedback confirming this issue. Some even suggest that the good ChatGPT, the one they used to get us hooked, is now reserved only for high rollers, for enterprise clients willing to pay a lot of money to use the product. Besides ChatGPT becoming a bit more moralizing and politically correct, I can't say I've noticed any significant drop in performance. I did notice a smallish drop maybe a few months ago, but it seems like right now it's mostly back on track and the output is, once again, as it always has been, usually pretty acceptable and sometimes pretty good, and occasionally bad as well. I still get hit with the occasional as a language model, but I think I kinda learned how not to trigger that, and I usually get what I want from it. To be fair though, I'm not asking for instructions on building stealth drones to destroy my numerous enemies. I'm the last guy who wants to see the quality of ChatGPT decline, but I don't think that's really what's happening here, at least not in my experience. And if that is the case, there's a strong chance that's happening because that's the only way AI can stay in business. But they gotta stay profitable, never forget that. They cannot just give it away for free. Okay, I think I went a bit too hard there on defending OpenAI. I'll do a little attacking here just to balance it out. OpenAI founder and AI golden boy Sam Altman is the first person to receive the Indonesian golden visa. Perks include priority security screenings at airports, longer stay periods, and easier entry and exit processes. Well, Altman is a known prepper who owns a private island, so now he has one more island to hide on when he inevitably destroys the world with his cursed AI. Enjoy Bali, Altman, while the rest of us are fighting your Terminators. Jeez, that was the worst thing I could think of, and it still doesn't sound so bad. Yeah, I guess I kinda like what the AI people are doing most of the time. And finally, Dubai crypto exchange Bybit releases TradeGPT, a language-based trading AI that will provide insights and analysis and answer questions based on market data. I'm not a trader, but even I know that when everyone has access to the same piece of data, then nobody has the edge, which means only the house has an edge. And the house in this case is the exchange platform itself. They will always benefit from more trading volume because guess what? They probably chip away at your portfolio by charging commissions and fees either on every trade you make or in some other way. Trading is a zero-sum game. For someone to win, another one has to lose. And over a long enough time horizon, the house always takes its few percentages in commission and it slowly builds its wealth while the vast majority of traders keep losing. I'm a former gambling addict, or maybe the Gamblers Anonymous people would say I'm still a gambling addict, whatever. I know a racket when I see one. Don't play zero-sum games, especially if the odds are not in your favor, which, again, thanks to platform fees and commissions, they are never in your favor as a small player. Instead, I would encourage you to play win-win games, which are games of creation. That's why I might sound a bit adamant in defending entrepreneurs and creators, even when most people would turn on them. Creating something is much harder than gambling, but in the long run, it helps a lot more people, and guess what? It makes you richer as well, and it makes everyone else richer. Create stuff. Whether that's content, products, art, whatever it is, create stuff. Use AI to aid you in that process as much as possible, and that's the way it is. That was the AI Report. Guys, help a creator out, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow.